And that's kind of what we'd like to talk about, our air quality, although we had some flurries come in.
Yes, and that's good.
Yes.
Every time we get a little rain, a little bit of snow, that helps to clear out the air here in the valley. Now, Chopper 5 was up earlier, and we found that pesky little elk on the hillside. Actually, it's not a little one. That's a big one. How many points? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 point bowl. Beautiful day today. We had a couple of inches of snow up in the mountains and anywhere from ½ an inch to an inch along the Wasatch Front. That's a beautiful shot. I love the animals up in the mountains. I like them to stay there so they don't come down and eat my plants in the yard. Here's a storm that is producing the biggest snow of the winter season in Atlanta and Birmingham, and it hit Dallas with the biggest one-day snowstorm in the history of Dallas. That storm is moving up towards Washington, D.C. again. Now, the desert Southwest is quiet. I looked at the long-range computer charts. The last week of February, these storms that are out here are going to move into the southwestern United States, hitting California, southern Utah, and Arizona again. But between now and the end of February, these storms, these little ones, they're going to clip by northern Utah. So we have another weak storm tonight, probably another one on Wednesday. In the meantime, a lot of clouds and a chance for a little bit of rain and snow later tonight. 48 degrees outside right now. In fact, the high today, 49, the warmest it has been since November 22nd when it was 50 degrees. Did you know that it snowed this morning? Today was the warmest day in almost 2.5 months. 42 in Great Falls, a little bit of snow and rain in the northern Rockies. Here's this storm that we're watching tonight. Now, the flow pattern is perfect for this to come in from the northwest, and that northwest flow is favorable for the Wasatch Front. So even though this is a weak storm, because it is coming down towards northern Utah, there it is, that northerly flow, this will be favorable to produce some rain and snow tonight and tomorrow, probably until about midday. And then the ridge moves in. Nice little beautiful day on Sunday. And then this storm system, that'll move up to the north. It looks like another one will come down out of Canada on Wednesday. So a chance for a little snow and rain tonight, maybe an inch in Cache Valley, ½ an inch to an inch on the benches, 3, maybe 4 or 5 inches in the mountains. And I even put the raindrop in there for Cache Valley because it'll be just warm enough for a little snow-rain mix. Cedar City. Too far to the south for any significant storminess, although Wednesday's storm will bring clouds, but notice how mild it'll be. Now we get this little cool down with the ridge coming in, temperatures drop at night, so the daytimes are cooler Monday and Tuesday, and then more clouds Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, but no precipitation expected in Price, Castle Country, the San Rafael Swell, and over towards southeastern Utah, but we will have areas of fog, and that'll be the case in the Uinta Basin as well. Late night and morning fog, and because there's a lot of snow still on the ground in the basin, temperatures are going to be cold when the skies are clear. We get a little cloud cover Wednesday, Thursday. That tends to help warm things up. Now, an inch will fall around the Wasatch Back with a high of 36 tomorrow. The next storm, Wednesday, that one looks like it'll produce an inch or two of snow as well, maybe ½ a foot in the mountains. St. George, again, we've been highlighting this all week long. Beautiful upper 50s to low 60s. Now, I mentioned beginning the last week of February, it is going to turn stormy across southern Utah again. It looks like the El Nino pattern will hit pretty hard. 45 tomorrow, and even though we have some rain and snow showers, most of it will melt if it does snow on the benches. And again on Wednesday, we'll watch that one to see if it, you know, every one of these storms is good because it adds just a little bit of snow. Yes, we need it.
We do. Every inch counts.
And I can't wait for the Olympics. I am so excited.